welcome to Cognitio. We'll start learning the machine learning, and after that we'll go toward the deep learning and the artificial intelligence. So as you know that for any of the building, the main blocks are the bricks, cement, and like that all the raw materials. So for learning the machine learning, you have to know about the basics of Python, because the key thing in the machine learning is the mathematics, and keeping the and making the realization of the mathematics into a programming language, just to make the machine understand. Python is a very good programming language which has lots of libraries inbuilt in it, okay, like pandas, numpy, scikit-learn and all those things. We'll come on to those things, okay. So the first thing we'll start learning is the Python, and it's not the full stack thing of Python. We'll start with a crash course over here. Later on we'll discuss the in-depth Python as well in the separate series, but for this particular series we'll start learning about the basics of the Python, which will need across the machine learning programming. So if you'll see on the screen, like we have lots of different topics which we need to discuss upon. Like any of the Python, any of the programming language, actually you need to learn about the verbose, the words, the letters and the grammar of that. So the letter and all those things of any language is converted into a programming language like a data type. So data type is the thing which is the words or letters of a Python, and after that we'll go through different operations and all those things. So in data type we have numeric data type, where we store integers and float number. We'll discuss this later upon, okay. And we'll store the strings, and we'll also see how to declare the variables and print those variables in the strings. And there are other interesting variables as well, and data types like list, dictionaries, Boolean, tuples and sets. After that we'll go and see how we can compare and validate the conditions, and build conditional statements. And after that we'll do some logical operations over there. We'll also see if, else, elif statements, and for most of the time you will be also needing the iterator. Like if you want to do some task in a iterative manner, that you will also need that function. So for that we have for and while loop, okay, and some other interesting functions as well, like range, list comprehension functions, how we'll define the reusable code. So list of a reusable statement is called a function. We'll see it later as well. And after that the lambda and map and filter and methods, okay. So after learning this you will have a fair idea, or not exactly, there are lots of ideas that what you will need to learn the machine learning, and start with that. And later on we'll go through different utilities of the machine learning as well, which you will need throughout the course of the machine learning series. So thanks for watching this video. Please give us the comment what I can improve, and just let me know in case of any concerns or something, okay. So I'll surely be resolving your queries as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe.